Hello and welcome to this tutorial video in which you will learn how you can use your forum's community platform to interact with your tutors and your peers. Your community platform is considered to be one of the most powerful resources you will have during your learning journey. Within your community, you can ask any technical question you have regarding your track content on your field and receive support from your tutors and peers. You can read very useful resources and topics to deepen your knowledge in the world of technology. You can build your professional network by being part of a vibrant community of aspiring programmers, know all the updates and news regarding the program, and finally, participate in interesting discussions about technology, career, and much more. This is the homepage of your community platform. From here, you'll be able to view and access all the categories related to the track you're enrolled in. However, please note that the categories' names might differ depending on the program you're enrolled in. You can explore your community from inside the Get Started category. You'll find topics such as best practices, the program FAQs, and more details on how you can use the platform. Inside the Announcements category, you will know the most important announcements and updates related to the program. Inside the Questions Hub categories related to the specialization and the track you're enrolled in, you'll be able to interact with the tutors and the peers of your track. You can do so by posting your technical questions, or share an article related to the field, or even discuss related topics. In the Useful Resources category, you'll find topics shared by your experienced tutors that can help you in your learning journey. In General Discussions, you can post and discuss any topic that is not related to the content of your track. In the Wall of Fame, you can celebrate after you graduate from your track and share your success story. Opening any of the categories, you'll be able to view the topics inside. You can sort the topics by clicking on Replies, or Views, or Activity. To create a topic, open the category you want to post the topic in, and then click on New Topic. After that, insert the title of your topic, and then choose the optional tags from the list. Then type the body of your topic, and then click on Create Topic. To reply to any of the topics, open a specific topic, and then click on Reply. After that, type your reply, and then click on the Reply button. Whenever you find a useful topic, you can vote for that topic so other students can find that topic easier and benefit from it. Also, if you find a useful reply, you can mark it as a solution so that other students can find it without the need of reading all of the comments. Also, if you found any topic or reply that is inappropriate, you can flag it so that the community moderators can act on it and take the necessary action if needed. You can search for any topic on the platform by clicking on the magnifying glass icon, then type what you're looking for, and then all the topics that have matching keywords will start appearing to you. You can also have more options to find what you're looking for by clicking on Options and using the Advanced Search. To reach your profile page, click on your profile picture and then on your username, and then click on Summary. You will then be able to see a summary of all of your activity on the platform. Clicking on Activity will show all of your topics and replies. From Notifications, you'll see all the notifications, and from the preferences, you'll be able to edit your personal information, such as your email or username or your profile picture. Finally, you can download the Discourse Hub app from either the App Store or Google Play, so you can access the community platform from your smartphone and receive live notifications. Thanks for watching, and we're wishing you the best of luck!